Welcome to the Fundamentals of Day Trading by Phoenix Capital VC, a comprehensive guide to get you growing from a complete beginner to a consistently profitable day trader. Now, before we begin the course in jest, I would like to take a brief opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Ellingford Benedict Robin Jr., and I hail from the tiny Caribbean island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. I have a passion for the stock markets and for trading. In fact, I have been involved in the US stock market in some shape or form for the better part of the last 18 years. Yes, you heard that right, 18 years. However, it has only been recently that I've been able to position myself to day trade full time as my main source of income. Of course, I have other entrepreneurial pursuits. However, at this very moment in time, day trading is my sole source of income. And now I will prove that to you. Okay. So I have a brokerage account with a broker Kruger Trading Incorporated based in the United States. As you see here on the first page of my brokerage statement from September, as you can see here. Okay. And you see my address and everything. All right. And as you will see here, on the 4th of September, I wired 30 into my account. All right. And then you will see all of the trades that I took, every single trade that I took for the month. And I ended the month with $32,343.59. So essentially, I was able to secure profit of 2,300 US for that month, right? This may not mean a lot for, wealthier folks, but for persons like us who are looking for maybe a side income or maybe, something that we can transition to full time, especially in parts of the world like mine, where the currency has a low value relative to the US dollar, this 2,000, 3,000 US for the month can really mean a lot. So if earning this kind of income interests you, then please take a look at lesson 1.